Good medical morning. This is Watson, your resident blackhead expert. This video shows a condition of blackheads called an acne nevus or a comedonal nevus. Blackhead moles are formed early in development, but pimples, zits, and blackheads worsen in puberty when hormones kick in. These blackhead nevi can range from a few centimeters to extend in a swirled pattern involving the trunk and back. Blackheads are thought to be due to oxidized sebum and keratin found in acne comedones. If these have no opening in the skin surface, it's called a whitehead. Blackheads are commonly found on the nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead. In extensive blackhead acne, they may also occur on the chest, back, arms, and even legs, and in unusual places such as the ears. Blackheads clog up oil glands. And acne comedones may lead to infection, forming acne cysts, which leads to pus and zits. This is called papular pustular cystic acne. If left untreated, it may lead to acne scars. Blackheads can be popped, squeezed, or extracted. Dr. Sanjali, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, has done many videos on acne, cyst and blackhead extractions, and she shows the correct extraction technique. I have a few videos on my method of blackhead extraction using comedone extractors that can be cheaply purchased online, and we'll put a link below. By prepping the skin, blackheads can be removed with minimal discomfort and no scarring. Stubborn blackheads that are deep can be softened with a warm towel, or even a prep of AHA several days before extractions are performed. Blackheads can also be removed with peels and creams, as well as techniques such as microdermabrasion, skin needling, and microneedling. I'll also put a link to my favorite blackhead mask below. Check it out. Treating blackheads is important, and yes, that's why you're watching this video, but for the patient's sake, preventing blackheads, open pores, and whiteheads is equally important. For more on laser and aesthetic procedures, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hey there, weight loss and fitness fans. This is Watson, and we have a special word to Leanne, congratulating her for her weight loss with Dinergy. And it comes from Eden Cupid, who you may know from Umbrella Academy.
Hey Leanne, I just wanted to send send you a congratulations for losing 20 pounds with Thynergy. That's amazing. The way I keep up and keep myself in shape is I usually like to run. I run about 2 times a week, and then I have also added weightlifting into my workout routine as well.
So there you go. Congrats, Leanne, and way to keep off those pounds. Now check out Thynergy for yourself. Boost your metabolism into high gear and start today. There's a link below.